students. Today we are going to learn about measurement. Longer, shorter. When we compare the lengths of two objects, we use the terms longer and shorter. Let's understand it with the help of some examples. In this picture, you can see two pencils. Students, what is the difference between these two pencils? Correct. Lengths are different. The length of the pencil in box A is more than the length of the pencil in box B. So, the pencil in box A is longer and the pencil in box B is shorter. Longest, shortest. Students, when we compare the lengths of more than two objects, we use the terms longest and shortest. Let's understand it with the help of some examples. In this picture, there are three ladders. The length of the ladder in box A is less than the length of the other two ladders. So, it is the shortest ladder. And the length of the ladder in box C is more than the other two ladders. So, it is the longest ladder. Now, let's take another example. In this picture, there are three scales. The length of the scale in box B is less than the length of the other two scales. So, it is the shortest. And the length of the scale in box C is more than the length of the other two scales. So, it is the longest. Taller, shorter. When we compare the heights of two objects, we use the terms taller and shorter. Let's understand it with the help of some examples. In this picture, there are two girls. Students, what is the difference between these two girls? Correct. Their heights are different. The height of the girl in box A is less than the height of the girl in box B. So, the girl in box A is shorter and the girl in box B is taller. Now, let's take another example. In this picture, there are two candles. The height of the candle in box A is less than the height of the candle in box B. So, the candle in box A is shorter and the candle in box B is taller. Tallest, shortest. Students, when we compare the heights of more than two objects, we use the terms tallest and shortest. Let's understand it with the help of some examples. In this picture, there are three buildings. The height of the building in box B is less than the heights of the other two buildings. And the height of the building in box C is more than the heights of the other two buildings. So, the building in box B is the shortest and the building in box C is the tallest. Let's take one more example. In this example, we can see three trees of different heights. The height of the tree in box B is less than the heights of the other two trees. And the height of the tree in box A is more than the heights of the other two trees. So, the tree in box B is shortest and the tree in box A is the tallest. Students, I hope you have understood the concept of longer, shorter, longest, shortest, taller, shorter and tallest, shortest.